Hi, so I'm going to teach you how to make a board game, but first, like, share, and subscribe. I made a board game. I haven't called it anything yet, but it's about this queen that lost a gem that produces life in her kingdom. Yeah, it's fine. So that's my board game. And if you want to make your own, first you have to pick a theme. It could be animals, plants, food. The theme I chose was fantasy with, potions, dragons, giant sandwiches. Step 2 is make a story. For example, I made a story that you lose it and then you have to go on a dangerous adventure to get the gem. Step 3, you have to make obstacles, things that will either slow down the player or make the player faster, like snakes and ladders. Snakes make them go down, ladders let them go up. Yeah, like that. So step 4 is you have to make things for the player to use. Like in Monopoly, they have money. You can make potions, healing, harming. Okay, and when you're ready, you can test it out with your family. Is the rules accurate? Are the rules complete? Is there enough tricks and things to help the players? If not, you can just, fix it. And then when you're finally done, you can make it better, like with coloring, decorations, outlining, more sandwiches. So yeah, that's how to make a board game. This is really easy. It's
Really, really easy.
So we played this so many times and it's pretty fun. Make your own board game. Bye.